Congress leaders Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra visited Kerala's Wayanad today following the landslide incidents in the district in which over 250 people were killed. The Congress leaders took stock of the situation in the area and met the affected people. Gandhi's visit was earlier scheduled on Wednesday but was postponed following rescue personnel's request. Internally displaced people organized a mass rally amid the ongoing Manipur Legislative Assembly session, demanding resettlement in their original place today in Imphal. The protest, which started from Akampat relief camp, was prevented from proceeding further by the security forces as the protesters aimed to march to the Chief Minister's residence. However, the police personnel stopped them at the gate of Ideal Girl College, Akampat. In a move to curb illegal infiltration, BSF deployed in Tripura has adopted a multi-pronged strategy to prevent trans-border crime and illegal infiltration and also augmented troops in the bordering areas. A press release from BSF said that Patel Piyush Purushottam Das, IG BSF Tripura, has directed all field commanders to step up coordination with all agencies including Tripura Police, Tripura State Rifles, Government Railway Police, Railway Protection Force, Customs, RI, Forest Department and other sister agencies for sharing of intelligence and carrying out joint operation both on border and hinterland against illegal infiltrators and trans-border smugglers. The All Meghalaya SSA Non-Teaching Staff Association AMSSA and TSA persists with its indefinite sit-in demonstration at Malki Ground, Shillong. The protest, which began on July 31st, enters its second day as staff members reject the state government's offer of a 25% salary increase, holding firm to the demand for an 80% hike. Over 1,037 non-teaching staff under the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan SSA program are affected by this wage dispute. The employees argue that the salaries have remained stagnant since 2016, necessitating a substantial increase to meet rising living costs. The Supreme Court today suggested the application of the creamy layer principle to the scheduled caste, SC and ST scheduled tribe for availing benefits of affirmative action. A 7-judge constitution bench was dealing with the question of whether a sub-classification amongst reserved category groups for giving more beneficial treatment would be permissible under the constitution. The apex court clarified that while providing for sub-classification, the government would not be entitled to reserve 100% seats available for SCs in favor of a particular subclass to the exclusion of other castes in the list. Both Iran and Hamas have blamed Israel for Hamas chief Ismail Haniyeh's assassination in Tehran, though the US denied involvement. Iran United Nations Ambassador Amir Said Iravani stated US responsibility as the main supporter of Israeli regime in the region cannot be overlooked in this horrific crime. He added it could not have occurred without the authorization and intelligence support of United States. India's 28-year-old shooter Swapnil Kusal bagged the country's third bronze medal at Paris 2024 Olympics. Kusal finished third in 50-meter rifle 3-position men's final with 451.4 points. Notably, it is the first ever Olympic medal by an Indian shooter in the 50-meter rifle 3-position category.